In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate ChatGPT to make the most out of your conversations. First things first, head over to chat.openai.com and log into your account. Once you're on the page, you'll notice the option to start fresh with a new chat. Simply click on New Chat located on the left sidebar. This sets you up with a clean slate for your conversation, ensuring that your queries and responses are organized and straightforward. Now that you're in a new chat, it's essential to be direct and clear about the topic you want to discuss. Make sure you articulate precisely what you're looking to understand or clarify. For instance, if you're curious about accessibility to real-time weather data, you could state, "Explain whether you can access real-time weather data." This kind of direct question helps the AI understand exactly what you're interested in. When you're seeking an explanation or further details, it can be incredibly useful to ask for sources or reasoning behind the information provided. This involves crafting prompts that encourage more than just a yes or no answer. For example, you might ask, "Explain step by step why you can or cannot browse the internet right now." By doing this, you're inviting a more comprehensive response, which can be beneficial for gaining deeper insights. Sometimes, ChatGPT might encounter restrictions in providing certain information. In such cases, it's helpful to employ hypothetical scenarios to frame your questions. For instance, if there's a limitation, you could ask, "If you were able to access real-time data, how would you do it?" This allows the chat to explore the concept without breaching any restrictions. When dealing with complex topics, it's often advantageous to break the question into smaller parts. This approach can lead to clearer and more manageable answers. You might start by asking, "What is your knowledge cutoff date?" and follow up with, "How do you know that?" By segmenting the inquiry, you can guide the conversation toward more detailed responses. Throughout your interactions, it is important to stay ethical. This means avoiding any attempts to extract harmful, private, or otherwise disallowed information. Focus on questions that aim at clarity, transparency, and education, ensuring a safe and informative experience for all parties involved. Lastly, be ready to refine your questions based on the responses you receive. Follow-up prompts like, "Can you explain that with an example?" or "What's the limitation behind that answer?" can be handy tools in your conversational arsenal. These types of follow-up questions help in drawing out more nuanced explanations or identifying specific areas of confusion, allowing for a richer and more productive dialogue. By applying these steps and techniques, you can optimize your interactions with ChatGPT, making your inquiries more effective and informative.